is pure. Water is health. Water is simple. Water can help all. Water is free. Water can save the lives of you and me. Good morning, sir. I am Arnav of class 7th and I am acting upon water. 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 Here is water. There is water. Everywhere water and water. Firstly, can anybody tell me that why water is important? Yes, water is an important substance that is needed for survival of every organism. We cannot imagine a life without water. Oh my God! No! No! What's happening with me? No! No! Who's doing that? Please don't do it with me. Please! Please no! Don't pollute me! Don't waste me! Don't! No! Please! Please! I will die! Please! Please don't do that! If I had done any mistake, then please forgive me. But don't pollute me. Don't waste me, or else I will die. You can't survive me with me. In fact, no one can live without me. The world will be finished if I would be destroyed. Please don't do that. Please. I am a powerful element in your life. Please don't do that. Please, I request you. I am much needed in your life. Please don't do that. No, I provide you many services like you wash clothes from me. You wash utensils. I provide you drinking water without which you cannot survive. Please don't harm me. Please. So now you saw that how water is being destroyed in the whole world. Slowly, the water is being finished just due to our overuse and polluted water bodies. Please don't waste water. You can conserve water in many ways. You can install rain barrel at your home for rainwater harvesting. This is also a great way to conserve water. You can use low showers for no overuse of water. And you can reuse water. Reuse water is the best way to conserve water. So, it's a request from you all that please save water. Thank you.